Today I'm taking with the AKM 3/8 drive 17-piece deep well swivel socket set. So you can see that is a metric socket set that goes from an 8 up to a 19. So we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So no skips there between an 8 and a 19. We also got two extensions. We got a 9-inch and a 3-inch. We have an impact adapter. We have a 1/2-inch to 3/8 adapter. So if you want to use a 1/2-inch impact with these 3/8 swivel sockets, we can do that. And we have a 3/8 swivel adapter. So if you want to use a swivel socket, but it's not going to be a size that is in this set, maybe an SAE set, we still have this. We can use whatever kind of socket we want. So this is kind of interesting. They all appear to be the same length. So we're looking at about 3 1/8. And the socket is about 1 1/2. Can't see those are all 6-point. Those are all drilled out on the corner, so this can be good for off-corner loading. They do have a hole going all the way through, so if you want to, you can use that with a pin and O-ring if your impact accepts that. And the hex feels like it goes down to about here. Also like saying they actually etched it right into the socket itself. So that says 19mm, and we have 19mm right there on the base. I really appreciate that high contrast lettering so you know exactly what you're grabbing. I also appreciate that's labeled right here on the case. It's a nice foam case, nice thick foam case. We can just drop that entire thing in our toolbox and everything will already be on display. Yeah, it's a great little set, even with the 3/8 to 1/2-inch adapter. That does work with my 1/2-inch impact wrench. So overall, that is an excellent set.